everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about a brand new feature that's a part of Samsung One UI 4.1, and that is the ability of having Smart Widget. So Smart Widget is a way that you're able to have multiple widgets all in one card or one little setting. So it's a way that you're able to save a bunch of space on your screen. So if you have maybe a widget on the top left over here, maybe you have another widget over here. Technically, this Google search bar widget is also a widget. You can also maybe have some on the next screens, but it's a way that you can put them all into one spot. And these actually look pretty good as well. So what you can see here is I have 4 of them set up. So first off, let's talk about how you can place it onto your screen. So first off, you just press and hold anywhere on the screen that's empty. Go to widgets, and then Smart Widget will be the top option right up over here. Hit this down arrow, and there's actually 3 of them that's already been pre-made. So you have a 2x2, a 4x1, and a 4x2. If you choose really any of these, you tap it once, you hit on add, you tap it once, hit on add. Once you choose which option you would like to use, how they're kind of set up, once they're added to the home screen, this is where you can swipe through. Now you might take a look at some of the options there, and maybe there's 1 or 2 of them that you don't want to use, or maybe there's one that you would like to add in. You can actually just really kind of go up to any of them, and you can press and hold, and not only can you remove them, but from any of them you can actually add another Smart Widget. So that YouTube music that we just got done doing, by removing, I'm just going to add it right back in. So here we go. I'm going to tap it. It's been added. So with this YouTube music widget here, I can do play as well as pause. I can also hit thumbs up if I like the song. Also too, when you take a look at the current widget you're looking at, so this is the one that you're looking at right now, you can go to current widget settings and you can change the settings of the widget that you are viewing. Same thing here, press and hold current widget settings. You can change the settings of that one. So really what you're kind of taking a look at here is you add in Smart Widget. Once you have done that, you just go to add more widgets and you can choose whichever widget you would like to use. If you wanted to use a Netflix one, you could just tap this one, and then now that Netflix is now added in to those other ones that we had sitting there. So it's pretty fun, very useful. It's a way that you can free up a lot of space in your home screen by putting all of the widgets into one spot. But that's pretty much everything you would need to know about Smart Widget. Again, brand new on Samsung One UI 4.1. If you guys appreciated the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul.